Alright, so we're actually going to do a short video update while the camera's on a tripod. We've got some of the holes drilled. We've got the frame, obviously, perimeter if you watch any of the time lapse. I had to play musical cars, musical chairs with everything in here with wheels to get the trailer frame and the camper frame in here to where I could still get it out the makeshift door. And I moved the table over here. I'm actually getting ready to cut the first piece of floor aluminum, so it's kind of a big step, which is why I'm actually using the camera as a camera and not just for time lapse. But I'll probably time lapse the process because that means less I have to talk to you guys. As you can see, the frame is here. It's still wobbly because it's still on the jig. Once we start getting the panels in, it will get a lot less unwobbly. And I'm also going to be doing the vertical flat bars and top, which I'm probably I got some of this 2.5 inch square. I'll probably be using some of this across the top for support and place to mount the solar panels, because I can put a 1/2 inch hole in dimple dime and they actually turn out pretty nice, which if I had the example piece around somewhere, it tends to vanish pretty quick, I've noticed. Yeah, it's somewhere. So I got to figure out doors, and then after I get the floor in, I got to go sell a kidney to buy a few sheets of 3/4 inch plywood, which is not going to be fun. And then we have the floor in, and then we can start, you know, drilling more holes, doing the sides, doing what we need to do, and hopefully it'll start becoming a bit more stable, and we can start getting walls up and figuring out and arguing where windows go and doors and stuff, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse cutting this first sheet because yeah, why not? This looks like a good enough spot to do it from. All right, so that last video clip where I just did this whole spiel didn't work, so I'm doing it again. The reason why most of this is time lapse is because I listen to music, and YouTube doesn't like the music when I put it in the video, so it's time lapse. Anyway, I cut this first sheet of aluminum to go in here. First sheet's cut. Gotta drill the holes, drill half the holes, well, 1/4 of the holes. Gotta drill the rest. For the time being, I'm gonna cut the rest of these floor pieces out. And that way I can pull them all out, drill the holes, and then put them in and drill more holes, and then take them all out, deburr them, and do the countersink and all that. Then I gotta go sell a kidney and get some 3/4 ply, and then I gotta do it all over again with the walls. Once I get the floors in here where I want them, after I've drilled all the holes, I have to lift all this up a few feet so I can rivet it from the bottom, so on and so forth. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. So, fun. Build a camper, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Save so much money.